Hello friends, welcome back to D.Computers, your platform to learn programming and technology in the simplest way possible. In today's video, we'll talk about one of the most popular programming languages in the world, Java. So, stay tuned until the end of the video to learn some interesting facts and key concepts of Java. Let's start today's video with the history of Java. Java was developed by James Gosling and Sun Microsystem in May 1995. It quickly gained immense popularity for its versatility and platform independence. Later, it was acquired by Oracle Corporation, which continues to develop and maintain it. Start today's video with the history of Java. Java was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem in May 1995. It quickly gained immense popularity for its versatility and platform independence. Later, it acquired by Oracle Corporation, which continues to develop and maintain it. There are two key events which are important. So, what exactly is Java? Java is a programming language and a platform. It's used to create software applications ranging from simple to very complex ones. The best part is Java is platform independent. This means the program you create using Java can run on any operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, without any modification. This is thanks to Java's famous motto, write once, run anywhere. Let's see where Java is used. Java is a versatile language that plays a major role in web development, which is used to build dynamic websites and web applications. It's used in mobile applications for specifically Android apps. Third, in database management systems (DBMS) for efficient handling of data, and the last in game development for creating engaging games with powerful graphics and logics. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that Java was initially called OAK? The name was changed to Java after the developers saw a cup of coffee while they are brainstorming. Now, if you are wondering why Java is so popular, let me know in the comment and we will dive into it in another video. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JD Computer for more such content. See you in the next video. Still, happy coding!